Alright guys, what I got here is a Lincoln MKZ all-wheel drive. And yeah, it sounds great, don't it? Customer complained it was making noise on acceleration and that, and when they were driving around here hearing all kind of crazy sounds. Yep, if yours sounds like this, I want you to know this is probably what you're looking at. One of the carrier bearings got to be bad right here. New joints look good, I checked them. This bad boy is making noise. Woo! I couldn't even tell you. More from up front here. Yep. Sounds great though, don't it? Looks like they're gonna need the entire drive shaft though.